Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Nikudango. It's very simple meatballs. Great as is, but it's so simple that it can go well with any sauce you like. So please enjoy with your favorite sauce. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Nikudango, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Ground pork, it's little over 400 grams. 1 onion, some ginger, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of panko or breadcrumb, and some salt and pepper. Today, I'm using air fryer to cook, but you can steam or deep fry. Please cook as you like. Let's cut the vegetables. I'm using the ginger with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Let's mince it. Into slices first. Into strips. And mince. Let's put it in a large bowl. Onion, cut the top off. Cut into half. Peel the skin. Make some slit like this. Then slice. Same for the other half. Let's add it to the bowl. Into the bowl of onion and ginger, ground pork, panko breadcrumb, 1 egg, and salt and pepper, about a teaspoon, and knead it well until everything is well mixed. Spray some oil in the fryer so that it doesn't stick. Let's make it into golf ball size balls with oiled hands. Put some oil. and into bowls. I made 18 bowls. Try to standardize the size of each bowls. It's time to fry. 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Turn them over once in the middle. Fried for 20 minutes. And it's looking so good. Let's try. Itadakimasu. So crispy on the outside, and thanks to the Panko breadcrumb, very fluffy and juicy inside. Like I said at the beginning, it's great as is, but you can have it with your favorite sauce. Teriyaki sauce, barbecue sauce, sweet chili sauce, any sauce will do. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Nikudango is a main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and kyabetsu no miso shiru or any soup you like here. How about tamanegi to wakame no salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.